Yeah, that's unfortunate you won't be joining the first half. Oh, maybe not half, because the stream might be longer, but yeah, we got new sound effects. And they fixed the length duration of those. Can confuse you. Yeah, definitely. It's pretty realistic sound effect, isn't it? Okay, let me announce on Discord that we're live. Can we have an M48 flashbang for 10,000? Something that will destroy my ears? I'm scared of doing that. Oh, by the way, the AI seems to be learning to move towards the base. It's like a month of watching, yeah. Yeah, I think we can do something like that. I don't know why would anyone do that, but I don't know why would they spend it. I mean, technically you don't have that much stuff to do with channel points, I guess, otherwise. I did try to look if you can like post memes and stuff, but no, it's not possible with channel points, and it's not possible due to pretty logical reasons, because yeah, you won't really have control over what is being displayed on your stream, so that might end up badly. But yeah, if you have any more ideas about what else we can add for channel points, I'm listening. Okay, let's start. Welcome. Oh, it's been a while. Gotta get back into the work and streaming mood. Let's see. So yeah, I was actually planning on testing out the AI Minecraft thingy. I might as well change the title. Have you played it yet? No, I haven't. I tested it for like 30 seconds and then I noticed that you are given only... what was that? 15 minutes, I believe, to play it. So I decided I'm not gonna spend the time and I'm gonna play those 15 minutes on stream instead. 5 minutes. No, I think it was 15 minutes. And you reload every 5 minutes. Oh. Well, yeah, maybe. I'm not sure. As I said, I played for like 15 seconds. I saw that it's pretty cool and decided to leave it for the stream. Let me quickly change the stream title in this case. Let's say trying out AI Minecraft. Yeah. And let's do that here as well. Trying out AI Minecraft. Done. All right. Let's see a few more minutes if anybody else joins. Because as I said, we'll have not that much time to play it, so we might as well do it when we have a little bit more people. But besides that, I think I want to work a bit on the game as well. See, I might come back in the car, I don't know. See ya, man. Hope you get back in time. Alright, that being said, it seems like there are no active chatters anymore, so I might as well just work a bit until we get some more viewers. Okay, let me then change the title again. Working on the secret project. Edit stream. Alright. Right, let's get to work then. Looks like the AI is doing pretty well in terms of learning to move towards the base and hopefully attacking it as well. We can check how the training goes. Yeah, it looks pretty optimistic, I guess. Time to remember what we were doing beforehand. Also, I need to turn on the stream avatars. Also, I think the next time I'm gonna take a break, like go visit my parents or something, I should post about it on YouTube as well, not only on Discord. Because I think a lot of people get confused on why the streams get stopped all of a sudden. Let me turn on these guys first, and then we can start working a bit. Okay, that is working. Alright, so what was I doing? What is the last thing that I implemented? I think it was something related to the AI. I think the last thing that I did was the actual shooting mechanics. I mean, damage dealing mechanics to be more precise. Okay, main camera. I don't need this main camera now. What I do need is my FPS player. Okay. Let's see. Yo, Vlad, welcome. Welcome. No work today? I think 50 is a bit too much. It's lagging. Let me switch to 3. It should be better. Q34. Welcome. Work. How's work going? Okay, so we do have the damage dealing option. I think I want to work on... Oh, I just had the pigeon almost smash into my window. I think I want to work on the... on the trader mechanics, perhaps. Or maybe the actual base mechanics, I'm not even sure. Maybe we can even add some basic UI that will at least show us, I don't know, the health of the base and so on. Because there are so many things we still have to do, and I'm not sure which one to prioritize first. I think a good start will be opening the code. Good, you... Well, that's nice to hear. Yeah, I'm doing well as well. Trying to get back into a working mood after the vacation. Not as easy as I expected. Why speak many words if few words do trick? Agree, yes. In the car right now, thanks for doing boring stuff while I'm gone. You're welcome, man. But also fuck you for calling this boring. Okay. Where is my base code? Where did it open? Did it open on a different screen or it didn't open at all? It didn't open at all. Okay. Yeah, that's the difficult part when you have like a prototype project and you take a pause even for like a week. It's pretty difficult to get back into like where you left. So we'll see how that goes. It might be a slower stream today, a slower start. But eventually we should get there. But I can't wait for this game to actually... for this demo at least to be ready. That would be quite fun, I think. A slower Zuza, yep. Okay, so the base currently can only be reset. It can also take damage. Okay. It can't be destroyed though, and the enemy, I believe, when it gets close to the base, that's when it is dealing the damage, if I am not wrong, right? On trigger stay, attack. Yeah, okay, so that's basically where it's happening. This shit is actually not the best implementation. Always trying to get the component might not be the best solution, because we do all these checks for every single monster, and I'm not sure if that will allow us to have a lot of monsters on screen simultaneously. Me go meeting, me no want, me understand, me wish good luck. Okay, it seems to remember what the enemy is doing. Alright, then, yeah, I think I'm gonna start with some sort of UI, so we at least kind of see what the hell is going on. Like the player UI first, maybe. Or, oh, I know what I want to do. I want to make bullets for the rifles, because currently you have unlimited ammo, and I want it to basically make you reload, because otherwise the reload is just a very cool animation that we made. So, we're gonna do that. Scripts, enemy spawner, weapon effects, weapon shooting. If only I would recall where that is. Maybe it's in weapon shooting. Weapon on fire. Okay, it's not. So it's in the weapon class. Alright. That's fine. On fired. And we invoke it right here. Okay. So that's where on fire is invoked, and what we need to do is have a parameter for the amount of bullets it has. So let's say we could go to the general. We will do something like public boolean current ammo. and public boolean max ammo. All right. And now when we do this thing here, I'm gonna do a check if current ammo is larger than 0, and then we can shoot. Actually, because then the burst will also work. So I might want to make it a little bit more custom, because if you have 1 bullet and your burst uses 3 bullets, that doesn't really make too much sense, does it? So let's see how we can do that better. Recoil animation. So yeah, we first played all the animations. I don't want recoil to happen if we don't have ammo, but I do want the animation, you know? Recoil animation, fire mode equals fire mode semi, on fire released, and the fire rate. Okay, let's start with something at least. So if current ammo is larger than 0, what? Wait, did they make them booleans? Oh yeah, it will take some time for me to get back into the working mindset, but it's fine. Okay, so if the value is larger than 0 and we do have bullets, then we basically do this. Else print no bullets. Right, and then we need on reload. Yeah, this action is invoked here, and first of all I need to do it like this, and second of all, when we reload, we have to do at the, I think at the very end would make more sense. Yeah, I think at the end would make the most sense. So what we're gonna do is current bullets, current ammo actually, equals max ammo. Right. Okay, that should basically do the trick. Now we just have to assign how much is that maximum ammo. Spider scary, remove the spider. Yeah, we'll need to have like an arachnophobia mode that turns the spiders into something cute. As they usually do in these kind of games. So I need the weapon prefabs right now. So that's here. FPS controller, weapon. Okay, first weapon. Current ammo, max ammo. So let's say, I don't know, the M4 will have 45 ammo, right? And then we have the AK. The AK will have 30 ammo. Then we have the... What do we have? We have the pistol. Well, that shouldn't apply to the fists, though. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, good. We have the pistol next. The pistol will have... How many pistols does usually... how many bullets does usually a pistol have? Maybe like 12? Put home prices instead of spiders. Bro, that's even scarier than... Poor little spiders. Okay, so pistol AK, those are the main ones that we have. I can also do it for the fall, but this one isn't set up yet. But I'll just put it at like 21 maybe. More scary but not triggering. True that, true that. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's see if that works. Okay, yeah, so I can't shoot shit. It doesn't shoot, that's good. I'll need a sound effect like when you try to shoot without bullets. And if we reload, yeah, it works. Let's switch the fire mode. Huh. That's another problem. Because the moment you start shooting... Wait, did it consider that I spent only one bullet or like two of them? Because maybe when I'm holding the fire, it's not actually working. MK18 Oh, it's not working because I never removed a bullet. Never mind, I'm done. I never removed a bullet whenever I was shooting, so that's the problem. On reload, nah, I need on shoot here. So on fire, if it worked, we're gonna do current ammo minus minus. Okay, that's better. Oh, you can't shoot shit in this game. I was hoping that this will finally be a good FPS. What do you mean you can't shoot shit in this game? What do you mean by that? You can. You can shoot the spiders. Okay, we can't shoot now, so if we reload... And nice. Okay, so it stops from actually shooting, but the animation is still playing, so we might have to fix that one. Yeah, you see? The animation is still playing. That's not good. Let's see. On fire release has to be called here. I think that will fix the problem immediately. You said you can't shoot shit. You so funny, my friend. Okay, I think now we fixed it, and then we can add quickly some UI to at least show like the numbers on the screen. I think that would work pretty nicely, and it will help in debugging, I expect. Yeah, okay, can't shoot now. Reload. The burst is still working, sure. Yes, it stops nicely. Okay, let's take the AK maybe. No bullets, can't shoot. We reload. What's this? What is it colliding with? That's weird. It's definitely colliding with something. I just don't really know what. We can fix this one as well, I guess. That's the weapon shooting mechanic doing something wrong. Okay, so here, default aim point forward, out hit. Perhaps I should specify the layer mask that we need to look for and ignore all the weapon stuff. Yeah, I think that would be the solution. So private layer mask, shooting layer. So we do it like this. Now, come on. Okay. And now I need a new layer for the weapon. And if we go to project settings, well, I don't need to change that now, but now I need to go to the weapons and make it... Where the hell is it? Weapon shooting. Wait, why didn't it appear though? Did they make it private? Okay, I made it private. How can I make it ignore everything except a layer? Can I do that, or do I have to manually set it all up? I think I have to manually set... I mean, I think I can do that, but I think it still will be easier to just set it all up. And... these guys are doing well. I think we could already try and use this brain in the game, so we at least have them move towards the base. So once we get the bullet thingy working, I think I'll do that. Alright, so now I should be able to assign indeed a shooting layer, which will be everything except of the weapon, this shit, this shit, this shit, and this shit. Ground and base and default so far. Maybe I can even ignore the default and I can set... nah, that's fine. It's fine for now. Okay, then we have the FN fall. I'll just copy the setting so I don't have to make it every time. Copy, and we take the fall, we paste it, we take the knife, no, the pistol, and the M4, MK. We paste that here, and the pistol. Paste. So I would expect it... Oh, also, I forgot. Also, I have to do you are a weapon. You are a weapon. And you are a weapon. And lastly, you are a weapon. Alright. Now I think the AK should work properly. Hopefully, at least. We'll see. Okay, no bullets. But that's not... Oh, another thing I want to test. So I did reload the weapon, right? If I bring it back on, it should still be reloaded. Yes, nice. Okay, so that at least is working. Now we take the AK. Yeah, okay, it's fixed now. Nice. So that is also working. Where was the lighting thing that I just saw? Wait, why do I see it only sometimes? Okay, this lighting looks a little bit weird, but that's not a priority right now. We can fix it later. Time for a little bit of UI. So I'm gonna go to my scripts. Create C# script player UI. I just want to have the bullets and health points visible. Well, actually, I'm not even sure about the health points because currently you can't really take damage at the moment, but we will need that later on. So I guess for now the player UI will just be responsible for showing us the bullets. Do I have Text Mesh Pro imported? That's the question. I don't think it is imported yet, so we might need to add this package. Actually, let's do it like this. UI Text Mesh Pro, and it should suggest, yeah, It is suggesting we install it already. Okay. With that done, yeah, we have the text on the bottom. Let's call this bullet TMP. Now, we'll just do it like this. Again, I'm gonna keep it simple because I want... it's mainly for testing purposes right now. But we will improve on that later on. I don't want wrapping, but I think it's easier if I just do this. Okay, and now we put it here somewhere. Maybe actually that would be better. 25, 25. And let's put it at like 60. Okay, that's good. Now we just have to assign a bit of logic here. Maybe I can create an empty player UI, move that here, and we add the script here, player UI. Hey, KPSLS, welcome to the stream. Okay, player UI. Now here we need a reference to the Text Mesh Pro, so it's gonna be a private serialized field. Text Mesh Pro UGUI. I'm gonna call it bullet TMP for now. And do I do it? I need to do it only on reload and on fire. I don't have to do it on update because that won't be optimized. So I'll do instead on enable and on disable. Then I'm gonna need a reference to my player, so serialized field private FPS controller. FPS controller. And I believe I should have a reference here to the weapon, right? Might not. Let me check. Weapon bone, that's not what I'm looking for. Least recoil pattern, that's also not what I'm looking for. I think it's in the FPS controller settings, right? Let's see. So I initialize the weapon setting, weapon prefabs, yes. I think it's in there instead. I need a retriever method for now. Equip weapon, disable aim, installation, get active item. So that's what I need. I need the get active item, which I hope is public. No, it's not. Why isn't it public? I don't know. Public. Now it is. But also that means I gotta move it here at least. Alright. Now I should be able to extract this information. So on change weapon. Shit. Then I'm trying to make it optimized. So what I'm gonna need now is first an event when I change the weapon, so I can unsubscribe from all the other weapon events. Yeah, I think that's what I need. So if we go here on change weapon, on change weapon, yeah, it calls start weapon changing. Sure. Unique weapon on fire release the invoke. Okay, so here. Still a bit sleepy. So we need a public action. Do I need it? No. Yeah, actually public action with the thingy, with the item basically. weapon change, start weapon change. Or do I need that? No, I don't think I need that. I don't think I need that. I think I can make it even easier. Yeah, I think I have an idea how to make it even easier. So we do public action that will be called... it will be called on weapon switch. Yep. And this action should be triggered here. On weapon switch, invoke the method. And in the player UI, what we need to do is FPS controller on weapon switch. We subscribe to this event. And here we unsubscribe from this event. Okay. And now in the actual method, so when we switch the weapon, what we need to do first is get active item, which will return us the FPS item. So we do FPS item active item equals this. We gotta import the package. FPS active item. Okay, and now and here I need to have a reference to that, private FPS item. It will be current item. And what we do if current item doesn't equal to null, I'm gonna unsubscribe from the events like on shooting. Wait, no, not like this. Current item on reload, for example. So we unsubscribe from this one. Hey. Oh, on reloaded, right? Why can't I get this shit? Because it's not in the FPS item. Fuck, it's in the weapon class. So... Hey, Pardesi, welcome. Thanks for the follow. See, this is going to be like Ravenfield. No, not really. It's gonna be like Storm the House. That's a browser game that I used to play when I was a kid, but it will be first person. So, yeah. And the monsters will most probably all be controlled by artificial intelligence. That's kind of the idea. Well, I was listening to the stream for the last 5 minutes and then I hear in the meeting someone mentioned my name asking me something. That was awkward. Equip, unequip, reload. No, okay, so I don't need all of that. I don't need the active item actually. I need the active weapon. Fuck. How do I get this reference though? This controller. Do you have any reference to the current weapon? I'm wondering. Oh, on change weapon, start weapon change. I have the active weapon index, but unequip, invoke, equip, settings, equip delay, previous weapon index, on weapon switch. Okay, so that's not really applicable, is it? Okay, let's start it from the different direction. Let me remember where I'm implementing the weapon script. I do that in the weapon effects, which makes sense, but that's not helpful, and I'm doing that in weapon shooting, which isn't helpful either. Okay. I know what. I know how. Okay. I think I figured it out. So, instead of having the FPS current up, I'll have the weapon here. Current weapon. Right? And if current weapon isn't null, then current weapon on reloaded, yes. So now I can actually subscribe to that event, but I need to unsubscribe actually. And also I need another one which is gonna be on fired. Okay, so we unsubscribe from that, and here, instead of saving the FPS active item, because I don't really need that, I'll do weapon active weapon, and here I should be able to do get component weapon, because it's basically the same thing, the FPS item and the weapon. Right, now that's my active weapon, so I gotta subscribe to these events for my active weapon. Like this. And like this. So we subscribe to the new weapon, and then we do current weapon equals active weapon. Okay, so now we have the on fired and the on reloaded. So what we're gonna do, actually, that should be just one method, I believe, one on fired. So we'll do this. So whenever it's reloaded on fire, it calls the same method, and it unsubscribes also from the exactly same method. Okay, and here we just need to update the bullet text. So what we're gonna do is bullet tmp that text equals bullets, and we will do this / this. So this will be a current weapon that current ammo, current. Actually, I don't even need the max ammo. I don't even need that. So current weapon, current ammo. That should do the trick. All right, let's see if that worked. Awesome. Thanks, man. Thanks for the support. Okay, so bullet TMP, FPS controller will be this, and the weapon should get assigned. And lastly here I'm gonna do this. Alright, let's check it out. I believe it should be working, but we'll see. I think today we're gonna stream for like 1.5 or 2 hours. Not more. Okay, so bullets 0-0. Nice, it didn't work. Fuck. I think I know why though. I think I know why. Start, because I need to do where the hell is it? Wait, I'm not doing it where I need to do it. 1 second. Here on enable I need a start method, and in the start method I need to do this whole procedure. Weapon, active weapon, yeah. I need to do this procedure. But then we can just create a new method for that, so we don't mess around and mess the code. Private void listen to weapon events, and we take this entire thing, we put it here like this, and start like this. All right, test number 2. Test number 2. Where is it? Damn, why am I so sleepy? Okay, bullet TMP. Where is the thing I'm looking for? Here. That should become the current weapon that we're holding. Otherwise, I'm doing something wrong. Oh, so why didn't anyone tell me that you can see this thing? Okay. So the weapon still didn't get assigned. That's unfortunate. Oh, why is that the case, though? And I didn't... Oh, no, I did get a null pointer. Never mind. Here. The get act... Yeah, that's what I thought. The item wasn't initialized yet. Okay, I have another idea in that case. I have another idea. Because here, when we initialize weapons, we do instantiate weapons, add weapon game objects at false, not here. I need to see where equipping the first weapon and subscribe to that event as well, because otherwise it doesn't initialize properly. So I should have here equip, right? Yeah, equip weapon, and it's called on start, exactly. All right, nice. We're moving somewhere, so it's not gonna be on weapon switch. It's gonna be on weapon equip. On weapon equip. And here I'm gonna do on weapon equip invoke, right? I don't need this part anymore. And whenever I equip a weapon, I should try and initialize it. So if we go to the player UI and we do, I think it's better to do it in awake actually. I'll do FPS controller dot on equip. No. Did I make it private again? Bro, I'm... No, it's public, wait. Okay, never mind. I'm just being dumb, I guess. On weapon equip, we subscribe to that event, and here is where I'm gonna do this code. Okay. I used to have it on weapon switch, now I moved it to on weapon equipped. Do I just call this method instead? Yes, I think I do. I think I just do that. Okay, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed, it should work. But that's what I always say. Right, moment of truth. Yes, now it worked. At least it seems like it worked. We reload. I mean, it did say 0 for some reason. 41. Okay, we're halfway there. Like Bon Jovi. And I want to test this. Okay, so we switch to burst mode. Okay, burst mode doesn't work if you have only one bullet. That's even better. Great. Now, the only part we need to fix is the reload thing. Because, what is it? On reloaded should still call the current weapon on fired, but I believe that I'm calling on reloaded before I actually assign the new amount of bullets, right? So if we go to on reloaded, indeed, so it is invoked here, while it should most probably be invoked here. What was my logic behind it? Why did I invoke it on top though? Because that doesn't make too much sense. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I'm pretty sure this time everything will work. Pretty sure. Okay, yes. So we reload and it says 45. Easy. And if we switch the weapon, it doesn't work shit. Wait, you added sound for points? Yes, I did. And now the points are beer, so that's also another change. Okay, when I do switch weapons, that doesn't seem to be working, so I need to get that one fixed. But everything else seems to work just fine. Let me see why that might be. Weapon player UI. So on weapon equip, I call this thingy. Okay, I think I see the problem. On weapon switch, let me actually rename this on weapon equip. Yeah. And we do listen to weapon events, and we do this thing manually once. We call this one manually. Okay, now will it work? I have returned. Welcome back. What happened? He's trying to change weapons mid-game. Yeah. Nah, I added some UI and bullet, like you actually have an amount of bullets and you have to reload in order to be able to shoot. You don't have unlimited bullets anymore. And I'm trying to get the UI to work properly when you switch the weapons using events. It would have been a very easy change if I did it in the update, but that would be like every single frame, so I'm trying to do it a bit smarter, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, so 0 bullets, 45 bullets, 32 bullets, 45 bullets. So far so good. Switch weapon. 0 bullets, 30 bullets. Okay, 0 bullets. Switch. Now we should get back to the MK, and it should have 37 bullets. Yeah, okay, so it's working. The only thing is here, when we have a melee weapon, it doesn't have on reload or on fire. So wait, where did it show it on row 38 though? It's this thing. Weapon. Okay, so if the active weapon is null, let's try return. I think that will get rid of the null pointer error. Because yeah, otherwise we spend so much time making those cool sound effects for the reload, but they were useless until now. Like when my compiler complains at the end of my script, yeah. Okay, So no bullets. Animo bullets. Okay. Yep. No error. We still can attack. Okay. So far, so good. Yeah, okay. We've got that working. Let's see if we can kill those guys. Let me reload first. I think I need like 10 shots, right? Or something along those lines. Yeah, okay, so about 10 hits. Alright, that's fine. The next thing I would really like to do is make it a little bit harder to hit these guys, because currently, let me show you. Prefabs. So currently that's our... Where did that go? That's our enemy, and it has this sphere around it, which I believe is taking all the damage instead, or maybe it's the legs that are with colliders on them. Mesh renderer. No, it doesn't seem like a leg that has a collider or anything. So it might as well be this thing that I've added, but I'm a bit confused on why that would deal damage to the monsters, because that's just a trigger, right? Maybe I can if I exclude it, it won't work either, right? Okay, let's at first check to know for sure if that is the issue. 500 shots. Make them dodge. Well, making them dodge will be a little bit more difficult because I'm planning on having them be machine learning based. What I can do instead is try and get the colliders work properly. So you have to shoot only this blob, actually. So if I choose this guy, yeah, that's one of the legs, and I don't think I can shoot the legs, but I'm pretty sure that is his sphere. Yeah, you can see that that's basically the sphere I was talking about. Yeah, you see? It is the sphere that it is colliding with. Now let's try something. Mimic, enemy clone mimic, sphere collider, sure. But let me try exclude layers. Weapon. If I do that, would anything change? No, it's still hitting the enemies. That might be a bit of a tough one to crack. Because I want only the sphere to be basically the body or whatnot. Wait, no, that's the wrong prefab. That's the one I need. Yeah, so I have the enemy with that sphere collider, but I want that to be the only thing you gotta shoot. Have you played the AI Minecraft yet? No, I haven't played that yet. I'm gonna work for like 15 more minutes, and then we'll play 15 minutes of Minecraft AI, and I think I'm gonna wrap the stream with that. I'll keep it short for the first stream, so until I get back into the work mood completely, because I'm a bit sleepy for some reasons. But first of all, I really want to fix this issue. Let's see if Unity make raycast ignore, not layer, but trigger. Query trigger interactions ignore. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know I can do that. That's a very easy solution if that will work. So where do we have the weapon shooting? Did they close it? I think I did. Okay. Weapon effects. Here, weapon shooting. So when I'm doing this beautiful thing, I need to do something like this. Query trigger interaction. Okay. Ignore. Okay, fingers crossed. That might just solve the issue. Working ain't sipping Radler. That's true. It's a bit different. Okay. I think now we won't be able to deal any kind of damage, which is fine. Because then it will be a very easy solution. But I just need to make sure that the trigger isn't affecting us. And the reason why I'm moving backwards is because I'm also controlling these guys, so if I would just run towards them, they run a bit faster than me towards the edge, so we won't be able to chase them. Yeah, reload. Yes, it is working. Awesome. Now, since that is working, we have a very easy solution, basically. And that solution is we go to the sphere, we add a sphere collider. We don't set it to trigger, but we make it exclude itself, at least. Currently it's default, but I would like to change it to monster later on. So to have it... Actually, no, let's do that now. Add layer. Enemy. So the sphere is gonna exclude the enemy layer, and the entire enemy is gonna be part of the enemy layer. And I believe it should have already been added here by default. No, it hasn't. Fuck. Okay, we gotta add the new layer to all the weapons, which is not too long. Not too difficult. MK. Enemy. All right. Let's see. I believe it should more or less work. Can you add staring into the sun? How would that work? What kind of staring into the sun? I mean, if you have a sun, you can stare at it. There is no problem with that. Yeah, I can look at it. Moment of truth. Fuck, yeah, I need to reload again. Now I'll have to do that. Yes, it is working. The thing that isn't working is this guy taking damage, and this thing has to be attached to the guy. So I think that should be a rather easy solution. I think so, right? Right? I have two ideas. I'm not sure which one is better. First of all, I can easily fix the weapon shooting, the decal spawn here. And it's part of the transform, but I want it to be actually part of the thing it shot. Maybe. Yeah, maybe I want to do that instead. So how do I do that? Is I need to pass here spawn decal. Wait, I am passing the heat already, right? Yes. Which means... like this. That should solve the problem. Okay, nice. These guys are already trained. They are just chilling at the base. So I think I can stop this training and we'll try to use the brain in just a second. Before that, I do want to finish the AI taking proper damage stuff. So maybe I can just copy, remove component. I put it here. Paste component as new. A bit too big. Maybe... wait, no, that's the wrong one. Where did it go? Here. A bit too big. Maybe 0.25 will suffice. Yes. And now the moment of truth. Now the moment of truth. Oh. Red effects around screen for a minute, then permanent damage, eye damage, then after 5 minutes complete blindness. Why would they add that to a game? What would be the purpose of that? That seems like just a lot of mechanics that are completely useless though. We're not making a hyper-realistic game here. Okay, so... yes, the decals are following the dude, right? Bro, I need to see your decals. Yes, they are. And it is taking damage. Awesome! So that thing is working as well. Now, we just take... I don't know. Maybe... yeah, I'll just move it here for now. Show in Explorer. We go to the training results. Test. We take the brain here. It didn't move here, fuck. Show in Explorer. Boink. Boink. Okay. Now we have the brain. We can assign the brain. And hopefully the monster should start moving towards the base. Hopefully. I'm hungry. Can you send me food? I think the moment it will arrive you, it will be not in the best quality. Let's put it like that. Alright. So it indeed seems like they are moving towards my base now. The question is, are they dealing damage to it? I don't think they are. Why is that so? But now it's much harder to actually shoot them. Wait, what the hell? Wait, what? Why are the decals so freaking big here? What? What? Why is that decal so big? I don't think that is the reason, right? No, that's definitely... okay, we can fix that a bit later. So it's only the wooden decal, right? That is so... yeah, okay, I need to reduce the size of the wooden decal, but I'm gonna say that it's already pretty difficult. The game is pretty difficult because they are twitching. That's one of the reasons I wanted to make it machine learning AI, because making the monster move from point A to point B, it's relatively simple. You don't need machine learning for that. But what we get here is like this chaotic, alien-like behavior that I really hoped we will achieve, and I'm pretty happy we did. That being said, I need to change the wood decals. Yeah. I don't recall which one exactly I was using. I can check, that's not the problem. hell did I put that? Here, right? Yeah. So, I think I can check the decal. No, I can't. Where the hell am I? I forgot the entire architecture of this thing. Okay, so that's the bullet hole manager. Okay, never mind. It is the bullet hole manager. It's this thing. Yeah, there are my decals. So the wood decal is this one. And I might want to make it, how much? Like 10 times smaller than it actually is? Let's see. A developer from my studio was wondering whether you were trying the game today. I said probably Wednesday. What do you think? Well, I did say that many times already. We need to have at least several games for that. I want to have at least 3 games from the community and to basically review all of them in one stream. So have like a whole stream dedicated to that so I can give proper feedback and take my time with the project to understand it and so on. So I'm not sure about Wednesday. Also for security reasons, I need to install a virtual machine on my device. I guess this one is quite self-explanatory. But yeah, I think it should be either on Wednesday or Saturday. Either of the two. If we have enough submissions, of course. Are these guys even taking damage? Am I just bad at shooting them? Well, first of all, the decals are looking fine. Second of all, are they carrying any damage? Yes, they are. Okay, good. So all of that is working. I think I made it a little bit too complex, too difficult. If I'm being honest, it's pretty difficult to shoot them, but hey, that's fine for now. Bad at shooting. A VM takes 5 minutes to set up. Yeah, I know. Alright. I mean, it's not like tremendous amount of progress, but I think it's pretty good for the game to start at least feeling like a game, because low-key I had a little bit of fun shooting at these guys and trying to get them shot while they are tweaking. The last thing I would want to solve before we go to the Minecraft AI thingy. Wait, what did they change here? Yeah, whatever. The last thing I want to do is make sure, fix the problem with the enemies not dealing damage to my base. So, if other try get component base. Okay. B take damage at attack time passed. And the attack time, if it's smaller than the attack speed, attack time passed is incremented. Okay, that should be working. So I'm assuming... Wait, what's base? Where am I assigning the base? That's what I'm not entirely sure about. Where am I assigning the base though? Am I assigning it on spawn? Enemy... Yes, I am assigning it on spawn, which then makes me not need this thing, right? But still, that still should be working. It's a bad implementation, sure, but okay, if game object equals to base dot game object, will that be better? Let's see. Actually, I just want to make sure that is working. Print 1 and here print 2. Because maybe it is triggering, it is working, but the problem is from the base side of code. I don't know. Hey lads, so I'm currently playing War Thunder, so I may or may not be here for long. I might be back or not. See ya later. Well, thanks for joining and good luck in War Thunder. I used to play it when I was younger. What I really enjoyed in the game was using torpedoes, were like those missiles that you can't, that aren't homing missiles, but like just regular ballistic or whatever you call them, that fly on a trajectory, and trying to score kills with them, because it was pretty difficult. They fly pretty slow, but if you hit somebody, they instantly die, and it was pretty cool. Hit-seeking. No. They were like regular missiles, not hit-seeking, not anything. They were just like rockets like this. So you had to basically aim the trajectory, and I found that quite entertaining. And this message was rushed. AI battle is fun. Thanks, man. I hope this game will be fun as well. I recently read that paper attention is all you need, but it's too difficult. I'm not sure what paper you're referring to. Imagine having a PC powerful enough to play War Thunder, lol. Is it that bad nowadays? Because I used to play it from a very shitty PCs and it was running fine. Did they change something? Is the optimization much worse now? Also, what the hell was I trying to do before I got distracted? Oh yeah, I'm checking why the enemies are not dealing damage. Hits type 3? I don't know what type 3 is. Okay, so our boys are supposed to go to the base. Let's see. Maybe in full auto it's easier to get rid of them. Okay, so they are printing 1 and they aren't printing 2 anymore. Huh. Huh. Why is that the case? Let me see. So enemy. Attack damage and attack speed, it's both are at 1. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. I think we'll do a different approach instead. I'm gonna go in update, and they will also have something like serialized field, private float, attack range, first of all. And also I would like to visualize this variable just in case. Attack range. So what we're gonna do is, I have the distance somewhere already, yes. And I'm gonna do if this distance is smaller or equal than attack range. And so basically what I'm doing here, but I'll use range instead of colliders. I think that will be better for optimization reasons, and I think that will be better just for maintenance purposes as well. I don't need this anymore. And we put it here. Attack base. Okay. Fingers crossed again. What's the enemy's name? It doesn't have a name yet, but I'm open for suggestions. It should be something alien-like. What's the name of Elon Musk's kid? Like XA dash divided by 6 square root of 4 or something like that. Maybe we can have it similar. Okay. Can we have a Discord call sound effect? Sure. It won't be as efficient as the... Okay, first of all, let's see if that's working. It's not gonna be as efficient as the knocking sound effect because I don't usually get calls on Discord. So but you might be able to troll somebody else in the chat with that. That being said, is you boy dealing damage? Is my base still full HP? Fucking hell. Why is that the case? Why aren't he dealing any damage? Ah! Sure. I know why it's not dealing any damage. But that's also the reason why... Fuck. That's also the reason why it won't work most probably. I know. I think I know what I can do. At least I think so. So if I take all this bullshit and I set it to the layer default, but I leave the base at the layer base, we bring back all the code that we used to have. Fuck the attack range, because attack range will basically be looking for the center of the house. That's why it's not working. We need it to work with all the perimeter of the house, you know? So, print 2. Here is what we're gonna do. Now we have the on trigger stay, and that's on the enemy. And now we'll say that the trigger collider on the enemy should focus only on the base, basically, layer. I think that will do the trick. So if we go to prefabs, enemy, and we take this trigger layer and we make it exclude everything except of the base layer. This might just do the trick, actually. Xi 12. Yeah, something along those lines. Only 3 people. Oh, it's 4 now. Well, there are 2 more on Twitch, but yeah. I think it will take a week or 2 until people realize that I'm back and will start joining the streams again. Because consistency is very important on YouTube, but on streaming, I think it's like 10 times more important. So, is my base taking any damage? Fuck. What's the problem? What is the problem? Because... Oh! That's the problem. The box collider is turned off. Why is that the case, though? Why is the box collider turned off? Okay, let me turn it on back. Whee! And I'm gone. Okay. I have another idea. So that's the box collider. It should be a trigger, first of all. Second of all, I think it should be a bit smaller, but we'll leave it at that for now. We just need to see that it's taking damage. So what's going on? I can tell you how to pronounce it if you need. I don't need it, but I'm curious, so let me know. What's going on? I'm making a first-person horror shooter game. I mean, horror is too loud, but you get what I'm saying. So is my base... Yeah, the base is taking damage, finally. The leg thingy is kind of fucked up. But I guess that's better than nothing. Let's try and fix that now. How do I do that, though? I think I should go here. Yeah, and remove the base from here. And I don't want to jinx it, but I think that will just do the trick. Yeah, at some point people just forget about you. Well, that's fine. It's understandable and it's fine, because I would rather still go visit my parents and have a nice vacation than burn out, but grind it that hard that I burn out, basically. Don't think that worked. I really don't think that worked. So I have the enemy, the mimic. It should only focus on the ground layer, but it ain't doing that. Ah, because it should also be maybe default, not only ground layer. 1 second. Enemy. I need the default as well. And maybe I can do something similar for the legs. So that's a leg. And let me see. So that is a leg. Wait to die, wait and die, update. Okay, but that should be handled by the mimic. Am I wrong to assume that? Oh yeah, the placeholder name for the enemy is mimic. Xasha 12? Xasha 12. That's how you pronounce it. Will this game be released to the public? Yes, yes it will. Spawn decal. Where am I using mimic? Where am I using this layer? Wait, so that has to be only the ground layer? Because that's setting the height, not the leg connections. Where am I setting the leg connections? I think it's here. Maybe here. That's not really working, is it? That is not really working. How do I do that? How do I do that? I have another idea. Blur X then Ash from Pokemon in English. 812, the letter then the number. Xash 812. That's a difficult name to pronounce. So I need to see whether the legs. Yeah, okay, legs are default. Everything else is enemy. So in theory, if I take the base, I take the box collider and I say exclude default, will that work? I don't know. Hopefully. But no matter what, I think we see what the result is. And then we can go try the AI Minecraft thingy for 15 minutes and then we can wrap it up slowly. Yeah, that didn't work. That definitely did not work. Fuck. Oh, wait. No. That might have worked, actually. Did I forget to remove here? Yeah, I did. That might have actually worked. I sent you a starting image for AI Minecraft. Well, you don't need a starting image. You can also just play in one of their environments, because the moment you look at something, the whole map changes, so it really doesn't matter what image you start with. Okay, it still doesn't really work properly, but that might not even be a problem, because I don't think I want to allow them to get inside, you know? I think like I want them to just stay outside and attack the base from the outside. I'm not sure how I'll do that, but I'll have to think about this solution. Alrighty. A little bit of progress has been made. That's nice. Let's see. Let's close this and let's try it's frame by frame with no recollection. Indeed. So let's quickly change the title. Playing AI Minecraft. Done. And here, edit, playing AI Minecraft. Good. Let's see what we've got here. Let's start with a village outpost, because, yeah, I always enjoyed villages. But I will need to disable this thing here. Oh, wait. Let me refresh. Because otherwise, when I press AD, I think that's considered as a video. Right? I don't know. Waiting for your turn. Well, let me do my turn. What? What's happening? Did I break it already? It looks like. It looks like I did. What the fuck? Okay. How about this? Still doesn't work. What the hell? Waiting for your turn. I hope it's not... What the hell? ETA loading. Did I really break it? Just wait a second. Yeah, sure. I can wait. But I'm pretty sure it just bugged out. The first time it... That didn't fix it either. What the hell? Nah, resetting the page does nothing. Wait a second. Let me try maybe delete the cache. I'll close it. I'll try to clear the cache. It loaded just before you closed, did it? No, it didn't. Why are you lying? Oh wait, maybe waiting for your turn means that the servers are busy. Yeah, I think... Damn. I thought I bugged it out, but I think it just means that the servers are busy and I actually have to wait for them to get free. Never mind. Okay, let's try and wait a bit. Hmm. Still being impatient. Oh yeah, I am. But also, I thought that me turning off the video speed thing was what broke the yeah, the project. Because again, in the morning when I tried, I just immediately got assigned the spot, I guess. And now we have to wait. So do I have to refresh or do I just wait? Do I refresh the page or do I just wait on the same one? Hmm. Okay, let's see. It's taking some time. Built by plus and underscore. Interesting names. Powered by Crusoe. But that's so impressive, like have an AI that I'm not even sure how they trained it. Like, did they train it with yeah, like with just video footage or how did they train it? Oh, there. So it got the frames, then it uses the diffuser to then try and predict the same frames, and that's what causes the randomness, I guess. But it's still so freaking impressive implementing that in a game. Huh? Did it? Bro, that's taking forever. Yeah, but we might not be able to do that on this stream in this case, because I'm not willing to wait for like an hour until it gives us a space. Fucking hell. Hmm. Hey, I'm back. Hey, welcome, welcome. Trying to play the AI Minecraft, but unfortunately, it's not letting me. All right, it's 12:24. I think we'll wait until 12:30. If it doesn't work, we'll leave it for the next stream, I guess. Hmm. Could you have a look? Yeah, I'll check that later. I want to see if I can play that thing now. Mm. Do you remember me? Well, my memory ain't the sharpest. Your name does sound familiar, but depending on what you mean by do you remember me? Um, what are we doing today? Well, we've been working on the FPS project for about an hour or so, and now I'm trying to get access to the AI Minecraft project that has been going viral the last few weeks. But it seems there is a huge, huge queue in front of me. Yeah, Splat, you can send the video on Discord. I'll check it out. Well, 4 more minutes. I guess we'll watch Splat's video, and if it doesn't let us in, we will leave it for another day. It's in submissions. What the hell is that? What the hell is this block? What are you looking at? Or did you start with like a photo of something? Oh god, that does look like a fever dream on LSD or something, on some psychedelic shit going on. Like everything is just oh, and you close the inventory and it changed the entire map. And now you're in a cave? In the meantime, are we allowed? No, we're not. Okay, back to the snow biome. What the hell? Wait, is that an animal? What the fuck just happened? Wait, did you take a potion or what the hell is happening? It's just like a whole bunch of weird random pixels going on. What the that's not Minecraft. Okay, you open the inventory. Wait, does it? Yeah, every time you open the inventory, you have completely different items there. Bro, that's really like a fever dream. Did you not see the nether portal? No, I did not. I didn't realize that was a nether portal. I saw some weird thing happening, but didn't realize it was a nether portal. The quality, let's just say, wasn't the best. Bro, what the fuck? Come on, let me play this bullshit. Well, it does look like it's different browser. Don't think it's browser related. I think it's just, as you said, a lot of people playing it. What's the other name? Edge? Microsoft Edge? Nah. Nah. I mean, at least we're in a queue from 2 different browsers. I'm from the stream where you play that other Minecraft. Ah, the Vintage Story Minecraft. Well, it's not Minecraft, but yeah, the Vintage Story one. Yeah, it's been quite fun while it lasted, but then it got too repetitive, grindy, and boring. Like, you don't have any kind of progression in that game compared to vanilla Minecraft even. In vanilla Minecraft, you have like a whole purpose. Beat the Ender Dragon. In the Vintage Story, you don't really have a purpose. Okay, you know what? It doesn't seem like it is working. So I say we wrap it up now. And hopefully for the next stream, it will be available once again. That's interesting comparison. Struggles with domain generalization, limited memory over long horizons. Difficult with precise inventory control. Difficulty with precise object control. Fuzziness of distance and struggles with domain generalization. Limited memory. Oh, okay, I read that already. Interesting. All right. Yeah. It seems like the game doesn't want to let us play, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. We will give it another try on Wednesday. Big L for today. Yep. It only uses 10 terabytes of RAM. You should try out Roblox. It's a platform. I know what Roblox is. I just don't think I'll enjoy any of the games there because all the games on Roblox seem like they're rushed money grabs that have like 3 mechanics and you repeat them over and over. So yeah, I don't think that's my cup of tea. I enjoy games where you actually have content in them, like, I don't know, Minecraft. There might be like 1 or 2 good games there. I don't know. That's might be a stretch, even that. But from what I saw, all the games are kind of shit. But again, I never played it, so it's just outsider info. What about Pets Go? It's new. I don't know. I haven't played it. Alrighty. We'll wrap it up for today on this sad moment. Unfortunately, I was hoping we will be able to at least play 15 minutes in this bullshit, but I guess we're not the only one attempting to connect. And waiting for an hour to just play 15 minutes, I don't think that's a wise decision. There is also Minecraft AI speedrun to kill the Ender Dragon. Bro, I can't imagine how they would do that. I mean, unless you somehow get lucky. If you get lucky and you get, like, you open the inventory and you have everything you need to go to kill the Ender Dragon, maybe that would work. But, yeah, I can't imagine, because every time you turn around, you just move to a completely different space. So even, I feel like even reaching to a portal or to Ender would be almost impossible. No, you have to go to the end. What do you mean? Yeah, you have to go to the end, but I mean, for going to the end, you need the eyes, you have to find the end portal and so on. So I assume you do that using randomness, like random generation, but I might be wrong. I didn't see the video, so... Alrighty, yeah, we'll call it a big L for today in terms of playing Minecraft AI. And hopefully we'll be able to do that on Wednesday instead. Alrighty. Damn, I'm hungry. I need to go grab something to eat. No, you just spin around till you see the right pattern. Yeah, that's basically something I meant. Like, you keep looking at different stuff to regenerate the world until you get what you actually need. You should see the speedrun category, it's pretty competitive. Yeah, I should take a look at that indeed. Alrighty. That being said, thanks everybody for joining this first stream after the small break that we had. I'll try to be more consistent from now on again. So I will see you on Wednesday and then on Saturday. Yes, Wednesday and Saturday. Alrighty. Again, thanks everybody for joining. Thanks for participating. And I'm going to see you on the next stream. Bye.